Welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make mutton curry using lamb shanks. This has lot of ingredients. Let's see. For making Indian mutton curry, we are using lamb shanks. Here we have 3 pounds of lamb shanks. First we have to clean the lamb using salt and turmeric water. Here is a salt and turmeric water. We have to soak the lamb, then rinse it twice. We trimmed the fat and left some for flavor and taste. Here are the other ingredients for mutton curry. Here we have 3 medium to large sized onion. It's around 2 to 3 cups. 2 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and garlic each. 2 dry red chillies. You can add more if you want more spicy. Coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Turmeric powder, little bit of crushed fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of paprika. This is for flavor and color. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoon of salt. Now let's start cooking. Let's set the instant pot to saute mode. We are going to fry the onion for a long time. So let's set it to 15 minutes. Add oil. We are using vegetable oil. Now the oil is hot. Add fennel seeds, dry red chillies. Fry this for 10 seconds. Now we add onion. Onion needs to be fried very well for mutton curry. This has to be golden brown. Onion is fried well. It took 15 minutes to get this golden brown. Instant pot is still in saute mode. Now we add ginger, garlic and cilantro. Let's fry this for 3 minutes. Then we add tomato. Ginger and garlic are fried well with onion. Now we add tomatoes. Fry tomato in this for 1 minute or until it gets soft. Now we are going to add all the dry ingredients. Turmeric powder, red chilli, coriander, cumin, cinnamon, paprika, black pepper and salt. Mix all these ingredients very well with onion and tomato mixture. Here we have cleaned mutton. We are going to fry the meat in the masala for 3 minutes. Then we add water and pressure cook. Mix the mutton very well with the masala. We are going to add 1.5 cup of water to cook the mutton. We are going to pressure cook this for 15 minutes. Before closing the pot, let's add 2 teaspoons of oil and pressure cook. So make sure seal is locked. Change mode to pressure cook for 15 minutes. Gone. We did the quick release after 15 minutes. Wow, looks good. Mutton is cooked well. Now it is ready to be served. Lamb shanks, mutton curry cooked in instant pot. This goes very well with basmati rice, chapati and paratha. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and found it useful, please subscribe to get instant notifications.